Cancun is a city located on the northeast coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in the state of Quintana Roo, Mexico. It is situated on the Caribbean Sea and is known for its beautiful white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife. Cancun was originally a small fishing village until the Mexican government recognized its tourism potential and began developing it in the 1970s. Today, it is one of the most popular vacation destinations in the world, attracting millions of visitors each year. In addition to its beaches and nightlife, Cancun also offers a variety of outdoor activities, such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and sailing. Visitors can explore nearby Mayan ruins, including Chichen Itza and Tulum, or take a day trip to nearby islands like Isla Mujeres. Cancun has a tropical climate, with hot and humid summers and warm winters. The best time to visit is from December to April, when the weather is drier and temperatures are more comfortable. However, this is also the busiest time of the year, so visitors should book accommodations and activities in advance.